started off my wood journey was the CNC, but it's loud, it's noisy. You can break a lot of bits, a lot more steps to get the same product you get done with a Thunder laser. I wanted to do some engraving and I wanted to do some cutting with the laser because with the laser you can get a lot more fine detail than the CNCs. My name is Stefan Chassels. I'm from Ottawa, Ontario. My company name is Brother Wood. As a firefighter, you're a shift worker, and then after that, you are all home alone. You need to find something to do. If not, you're spending a lot of money and not making money, right? I started off doing construction work, renovating some bathrooms, a lot of hard work. I said, I got to figure out something a bit easier on my body. So I started doing woodworking in my garage, small signs with a scale saw, roll saw, CNC. I started looking for laser to buy one. The guy showed me how to cut a piece of MDF in a matter of seconds, like a minute, maybe a minute max to cut a 3-inch sports sign. And that thing was just bang on. With my CNC would have took me probably a good 30, 40 minutes. When I started looking for a Thunder laser, right off the bat, for what you get for the price is unreal. It was just mind blowing. The size of the bed, consumer service was outstanding. I talked to Shannon. He replied back right away. No problem. It's a beast. They don't break down. I did pay off my laser almost in 6 months. I'm amazed with the stuff I produce.